What's the doTERRA Home Essentials Kit all about? Well, check out the video that one of my clients did on the kit that they ordered from me and a little unboxing as well as a little product demo with the diffuser, and that'll be done in the next section, so let's get to it.
Hey, Kyle Gallagher here. In this video, I'm going to unbox the doTERRA Home Essentials Enrollment Kit for you guys. They have a promotion going on this month in July 2018, and basically if you enroll with a 100 plus PV order, you get a free 15 milliliter bottle of wild orange essential oil. And if you enroll with a 200 plus PV order this month, you get a free 15 milliliter bottle of Copaiba essential oil along with the 15 milliliters of wild orange oil as well. So I'm gonna open up this box for you guys and we'll see what's inside. Books in here. Ooh, that looks clean. This looks pretty fresh. Oh, nice. There's a lot of, there's basically benefits of all the different herbs. This is awesome. This is like the guide to helping people. That spikenard. All right, let's get to it, but that's awesome. That spikenard. Oh, I could smell it. All right, so we got the Petal diffuser. It's pretty fresh. I'll open that up in a sec. Oh, here we go. Okay. Let me see, can I place this right here? Okay. We got the deep blue essential oil blend. It has Gualtheria, it has wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, ylang ylang. This is one of their blends. Ylang ylang, German chamomile. So yeah, a bunch of different stuff in that. Oh, cool. This comes with a bunch of the blends. So this is the deep blue, and then the On Guard, Digest Zen, oregano, peppermint, frankincense, come-ups, Mela Yucca, Breathe, lemon, and lavender. That's what's up. Let me see if we got anything else. Check in there. Looks like that's all that's in there, but that's really cool little kit. I'm stoked on that. So let's go ahead, and then also we got the orange and these ones are the ones that you can get for free if you. That's part of why I got a Home Essentials kit, because the Home Essentials kit puts you over the 200 PV enrollment order to get these two for free this month. So, but I think they maybe do something similar every month. Get this. There she is. Get inside here. There's where you put the oil and water. It's like it's a diffuser, so it vaporizes it without heating it up. Just some kind of like vibration, super fast vibration or something. But yeah, cool. Looks like it's got some light or something. I'm gonna have to, it's light setting. I'll have to check that out and show you guys.
As you can see, the doTERRA Home Essentials kit is a great kit to start off with, because sometimes, because it's at the 200 PV or point value kind of threshold, you can get some bonus oils sometimes, you know, kind of depending what time of the year it is when you're enrolling. Or sometimes, if you're already a wholesale customer or wellness advocate, you can still benefit from these specials as well. It just kind of depends, right? And then the Home Essentials kit is awesome. It comes with a 4-hour diffuser, the Petal diffuser, and 10 of the top 10 essential oils for the home that help with anything from energy, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, immune system, tons of, you know, just, it's helping you be really empowered within your home when you combine that with a wellness consult, which we did to go over the benefits and uses of the products and how to maximize the membership. And so it's really that education and personalized support that really kind of blends the products, the company, as well as your experience together to make sure it's more positive and that you can really get the most out of your products so they don't collect dust, they don't become paperweights. And that's kind of like the worst thing that can happen, right? You invest in your health with a kit and you just let it sit. That's never good. You're like, do you want to open those things up? Learn and watch my videos, or do a wellness consult if you're on a different team with your upline, and or, you know, just get that education so that you know when something pops up, boom, I have a reference guide, or boom, I have a wellness consult, or boom, I got a email or text message that I can message my enroller or the person that enrolled me so that I can get that education and support, or I can watch a video on YouTube, or, you know, whatever it is, so that you can really feel empowered to get the most out of your products. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out some of the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.